friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, live or taped from my kitchen. What happened was I messed up and didn't order a product, and so everything kind of fell behind, and we had to do this video literally 2 days before this product goes live on our website. So we're kind of backed up a little here, but you know what? It's worth it. Now I have technically three fun products to share with you today, and the first one is very important to me because it is a fold-it die of my Corgi Lemon. My grand dog is Lemon and she is a Corgi, and so we designed this Corgi for Lemon. Now it's a full-size A2 size card, so it'll fit in an A2 size card envelope, and look at how adorable she is. Isn't she cute? Now you get the die that literally you can paper piece the pieces together to make this card, and look at how fun. You can do her in black and white if you want. You can do her in brown and white. You can do her with patterned paper if you want. So adorable. Oh, here's one with her extra decorated with a surfboard and a sand castle. So much fun. The best part about her though is she makes an A2 size card. Now, how do we make this A2 size card? Let me show you quick and easy how easy it is. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your die cut machine, and these dies will work on any standard die cut machine. And we're gonna take this and we're gonna take the die, and it even comes with a cute little bow, which is really fun. So we're gonna take this die and we're gonna take the shadow die, and on the back, and I know you really can't see it on the video, but on the back it says place fold here or place fold here. So we are going to fold our paper, and I'm actually using this paper. I think I'm gonna be able to fit it on there. Let's see, I might be able to. Well, let's get a real piece just to make sure. We're gonna fold this in half. Just like that. That's the hard part. Woo, that's the hard part. Now we have our fold here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the ears of the Corgi right at the top, so I have a little bit of space in between. And then I'm gonna run this through my machine. Now this is 2 layers of cardstock, so I'm gonna run this through, and then I'm gonna run it back just to make sure that I get a nice clean cut. So I'm gonna run that back. And look at how cute she's gonna be. Now we have that fold at the top of her ears. Let's open her up. Look at that, and I can decorate her. And in the end, she's gonna look as cute as this one right here. Isn't that adorable? And again, it does fit in an A2 size card envelope, which is fantastic because, as you know, we always have tons of those laying around, right? And if not, you can order them on our website. Now, the other product I have to share with you is the one that I kind of messed up on. I didn't order them in time, so we finally got them in stock, and now we're gonna do the video for them. Are you ready for this? How many of you remember or even have the calendar stamp set that we came out with years ago? Well, guess what? I have now released an updated version. Now this is just one stamp set. The other one had another stamp set with it. This is just one, and we have all of those fun numbers in a new font with new numbers, new years going all the way up to right now 2027. So you're gonna be using this stamp set for a long time. Now, what's different about this? Well, let me share this with you. I already have the stamp on the back, and I need you to notice right off the bat, let me pull this up again. I need you to notice that there's a number 2 here and a number 2 here, a number 3 here and a number 3 here. And you're thinking, this doesn't really look right. What the heck? What's going on? Why does it have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it starts here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes on and on and on? That's really, really not right, right? Well, let me share with you, it really is. What we're gonna do is we're going to ink up our stamp, and I'm just gonna ink this baby up. Now this is the first time I've used it, so what do we do the first time we've used a stamp? We always stamp on scratch paper first. So I'm gonna ink this baby up, and we're gonna get some scratch paper. I'm just gonna do this off to the side. I am using my Stamper Secret Weapon below me. I'm gonna lay that down, and I'm gonna press really good. Oh, my machine moved. I'm gonna press this really good because we want a nice clean image. Awesome, now that image looks fantastic, but we're gonna do the real image now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ink that up. Now, why did I do that on scratch paper first? That's just kind of conditioning the stamp. Our stamps are high quality photopolymer made in the United States, but they just need a little extra one stamp and then they're good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this over so I can get better pressure. Now, Our stamps do not need to be filed. They do not need to be scrubbed or anything weird. I hear the weirdest things sometimes online. People saying, oh, they need to be washed. I assure you, they've already been washed. They go through a washing process. And Ken can tell you really well how easy or difficult it is to make stamps. So now what we have here is we have all of our fun numbers. Now, where does the magic happen? The magic happens when I get the coordinating dies. Now, do you need the dies? No, but you really want the dies. Why? Because this smaller die, this small square, the small rectangle, it's really rectangle, what you're gonna do, and let me turn this over so you can really see this, what you're gonna do is you're going to line this up to line up to the days of the month. So for example, if your day of the month started, oh, you know what? We need to stamp the days first. Because that'll, well, actually, no, we can't. So let me turn around. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put our die on top of our calendar. And it is only going to allow for 7 columns. Does that make sense? It's only going to allow for 7 columns. So if Wednesday is the first, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, put that there. And now, wait, Saturday, oh, we gotta get Sunday on there. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now, so if you want it to end Monday or whatever you want, I like Saturday on the right and then Sunday on the next line. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna die cut this right here. And that is gonna be my Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Does that make sense? So now we're just doing our whole thing. Now, what if the first is on a Saturday? Saturday, turn it over here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So wherever the first of the month is, that's where you're gonna move it over to be. So we're gonna move it over to right there because this time it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday is the first. Now I'm gonna lay this down when I run this through my machine. And I thought I had some washi tape and I don't see that I do. So we're just gonna run this through. I am using my magnetic platform. So I'm gonna lay this down, I'm gonna center it there. Now I'm gonna put a little extra space at the top because I wanna write my days and my month. So I'm gonna lay that down and I'm gonna get my cutting pad and I'm gonna run this through. Just, oops, a little crooked, hang on. I would use washi tape if I were you. Actually, let's grab some off the machine. Ha. So let's just lay this down just to make sure it doesn't move. Just to make sure. Now, we're gonna run that through a little bit at an angle. And we'll run it back. That's an easy die and it's already cut it. It's easier just to run it back. Now what we have is we have our calendar cut out. Isn't that fantastic? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stamp, get my secret weapon, I'm going to stamp the other part. So now for my days of the week, I have that just SMT, WTFS, or I have sun, mon, to, when, yeah, that. Okay, so let's use this one. And I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna grab this. I'm just gonna lay it on the other side. Now, to get it straight, the best way to get this straight is to let it go on the paper. I'm doing it stamp face down, lining that up, and then I'm taking my block and then putting that on the back. So now it's nice and straight. Then I'm going to ink it up. Hey, Cook. Cookie's like, what are you doing, Mama? Why are you down here doing a video? And we're gonna line this up just like this. Look how cool this is. Whoo! Isn't that awesome? So now we have the days of the week on there. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to add the month. So let's say this, and I'm making this up because I haven't looked at a calendar, but let's say this is August because August is my birthday month. So let's get that and let's take that one off and let's take this one off so we don't have any confusion here. So now we have August and we're gonna grab that. We're gonna ink that baby up, and then normally I would use a smaller block, and we're going to lay that down right there. So this is called a perpetual calendar. That's why it has all those extra numbers on it. You're just gonna use the die and make it have 7 columns, and boom, you have your calendar. Isn't that fantastic? It's kind of like magic. It's really awesome. Now, the older calendar design doesn't fit this die because this die was made just for that. There's also a layering die, so you can layer it. Okay, so let's look at some samples. Here we have this cute one that has a little October fall calendar with a little decorative frame, which is really fun. You can get these at the dollar store, but then you could switch it out every month and have a cute little desk frame, which is so fun. Here's a beautiful card showing off January winter. I love that. We even inked the edges of that. Here's one showing a heart on the happy anniversary for the 1st of September. I love that. Now here's one with the circle date, June 11th, happy birthday. Isn't that fun? So you could put their birthday on there. Then we have this one, this is another one, happy birthday. Oh, and who was this? Vanessa. Vanessa knows my birthday. August 11th, that's my birthday. So did you put my name in there? Nope, she didn't. I thought maybe she would have, but that's cute. August 11th, happy birthday. And then this one is really fun. It came with a little frame. Our design team's so cute. And look, they're all packaged. This would make the perfect gift. So start thinking Christmas or Secret Santa gifts or something like that. Can you imagine giving this? This is probably 99 cents at the dollar store. And then you're gonna open this up and all the months for 2020 are right here. So we have January, February, March, April. Look at this, isn't this awesome? May, June, and then it's gonna sit right there on the little easel. Isn't that adorable? So go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. You're gonna see all of these great examples. Club members, of course you get the club discount on our website. Go check it out. And if you're not in the club, you need to join. What are you waiting for? Christmas? Hurry up, go sign up, get in the club. You'll save 15% when we travel in our booth and on our website, as long as you're a club member, which is so fantastic. If you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you click the subscribe button so you get notified every time we release a new video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.